we are going to learn about pronouns, particularly types of pronouns. So there are three types of pronouns: personal pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, and interrogative pronouns. I think it's very clear from their these words: personal, demonstrative, and interrogative. इन वर्डिंग से आई एम श्योर काफ़ी हद तक समझ आ गया होगा. पर्सनल मीन्स जो एक पर्सनल उस पर रेफरेंस पे होता है. डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव मीन्स किसी चीज़ को डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करना, टू शो. एंड इंटेरोगेटिव का मतलब होता है क्वेश्चनिंग. सो नाउ लेट्स कम टू पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस. पर्सनल प्रोनाउन किस लिए यूज़ होता है एंड व्हेन डू वी यूज़ इट? Used for a specific subject or a person. किसी जब when you are talking about someone specific or a particular subject in a sentence or in a paragraph or in a phrase, we use personal pronouns. For example, I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Now these are all the personal pronouns. क्योंकि इनको हम usually subjective personal pronouns भी कहते हैं because we, you, they, he, she, it. They एक subjectively इनको use किया जाता है. Now let's give you an example. Me and my friends are going to a party tonight. Instead of saying me and my friends, we could also say simply we are going to a party tonight. So we are using subjective personal pronouns instead of using me and my friends. Let's use they. For example, if I want to say my classmates are going for a trip or a school trip, I can also say they are going for a school trip because यहाँ पे particularly मेरे classmates की बात हो रही है. We are talking about particularly about my classmates. There is no one else in this sentence that I am introducing, so I can easily use they instead of using the word my classmates. Now let's come to the second type of pronouns, which is called demonstrative pronouns. So what are demonstrative pronouns? They show one or a number of nouns that may be far or near. आपके demonstrative pronouns वो pronouns होते हैं जो किसी ऐसी चीज़ को या किसी ऐसे person के बारे में बता रहे होते हैं that is either near or far away. जो करीब होता है या दूर हो तो उसको demonstrate करने के लिए demonstrative pronouns का use किया जाता है. Let's see this, that, these, those. Now if you look at these examples carefully, you will notice one thing. These are not gender specific. इनमें किसी भी इन चार pronouns की अगर आप देखें, if you look at these examples of demonstrative pronouns, you will notice that these are not gender specific. इनको देख के we cannot identify whether they are talking about a group of males or a group of females. ठीक है, so that's why they are demonstrating just persons or object that is far or near, irrespective of the gender. Now let's use these in our sentence and let's show you. I like these chairs. So these chairs. Up, these chairs are means they are near me. These show that the object I'm talking about is near. It's located near me. Now if I want to say those, I liked those dresses very much. यानी वो dresses मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगे थे. It shows that I had seen those dresses previously or somewhere far. मैंने कहीं वो dresses बहुत पहले देखे थे या उनको कहीं दूर से देखा था. So those represents something. I'm talking about something that is not located near me right now. Okay, now let's come to interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns क्या होते हैं? They are used to ask questions about a person or an object that we do not know about. For example, whom, who, which, and what. So interrogative pronouns usually आपके interrogative sentences में use होते हैं और questions में use होते हैं. For example, who is knocking on the door? Knocking on the door यानी I'm asking someone, मैं पूछ रही हूँ, I'm asking, I do not know कि who's knocking on the door. So I am using who, the interrogative pronoun, because I do not know which person or which object or whatever is outside the door. I do not know about it. So I'm using who. Again, these are not gender specific because we still do not know. ये use ही हम तब करते हैं when we do not know what person or what object are we talking about. तो इसलिए these are also not gender specific. Males or females को describe नहीं करते हैं. Okay guys, thank you for joining the session. Today we learned about pronouns, types of pronouns, how do we use them, and how to use the different types of pronouns in our sentences, in our daily routine sentences. Thank you.